Okay, bear with me. This is going to be a long tutorial. Basic HTML, everything you need to know. So let's start off with Text Wrangler or Notepad for PC. Let's start typing in there. Let's get a HTML tag, and let's close the HTML tag. Right underneath the HTML first tag, we're going to do a head tag. Open the head tag and close the head tag. After the head tag, we're going to do a body tag. Inside the head tag will be things that make the body work. Inside the head tag, we will have things such as a title tag, which is for search engine optimization for Google. First thing Google looks at when they look at a web page. This is my first website. There you go, my first website. So when you save this, Control S or Command S. Want to save it first, want to save often. We're going to name it index.html. I'm going to find my Web 1 folder. There it is on my desktop. Bring this over so you guys can see what's going on. If you're in a Mac, I hit that little arrow right here for it to open up, because right now it's kind of restrictive. So I like to open it up and see all of my little navigation on the left, and then click on the Web 1 folder over here. And the first page in your website is always named index.html. Remember that every time you make a new website. Let's save that. Let's open up our Web 1 folder so you can see what I've got going on here. This is the Web 1 folder, index.html. Okay, so if this were to close, I could take this and drag it into the Text Wrangler down here, and it will open up. There we go. And while we're at that, why don't we open up our browser and put the index page in the browser to see what we're doing, how we're doing, while we're doing. It's going to take a couple seconds to upload and close that. So the next thing I want to do in our body content, and open it up a little bit, is we're going to do a H1 tag. H1 is a header tag. And then you want to close the H1 tag. And inside the H1 tag, we want to write, this is my first website. If I could spell, it would be great. Okay, that was really weird how Text Wrangler does that weird stuff. Okay, this is my first website. I'm going to do a Command S to save, come over here, and refresh my browser. Computer's going a little slow today. There it is. See up here where it says my first website? That's where it says right here, title, my first website. That's what Google reads when it gets to a website. Okay? Then the first thing in your website here is, this is my first website. It's very big, isn't it? It's a header. It's a header tag. If I were to copy that, paste it here, and name it H2, close the H2 tag, save it, refresh the page over here. It went down 2 lines. You see that? It went down 2 lines. And the text got smaller. Let's do it again. H3. H3. Command S to save, refresh. Look at it, it keeps getting smaller. And we can keep going until we do 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. Command S to save, refresh. Look how tiny that is. Alright, so after that, we don't have any more H tags. All the header tags 1 through number 6, number 1 is the biggest. Okay? If we're using CSS, we can tell those, actually tell H1 to be smaller. We can tell that to be smaller with the CSS. So what we did here was we made an HTML shell. HTML open, and then the tag closes down here. We have a header with a title and a head, closes. We have body opening, body closes. Whatever's inside the body here is what you'll see inside the website. Next thing I'm going to do is a P tag for paragraph. And I'm going to write in here, this is awesome. I can't believe I'm making a website. Yeah. And I spelled website wrong. I put an A there. Boom. Okay, there we go. If you wanted to make it look like a paragraph, what I might do is copy this information, copy, and paste, which would be Command V. Now, you see on the bottom down here of Text Wrangler, it's like really long. We want the words to wrap. So we have to go up to, you can't see it because it's out of the range of the viewer. But if you go to View, it's actually up in the top menu. Click on Text and then click on Hard Wrap. Text, Hard Wrap. Do you want to break a line at 72 characters? I don't know. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 40, 60. Yeah, 72 characters is fine. Standard indent? Yeah, let's do that. Reverse indent, increase indentation relative to first line. Paragraph fill, remove spaces. Let's go with that. Let's click on rewrap. See what? Ooh, man, look at that. All right, so you'll see that I have indentations here. I'm not sure if I like the indentation there. I like the indentation inside the body tag when it opens and closes, but I'm not sure if I like it up there or not. So I might go back to text, hard wrap, and uncheck no indentation. I can do formatting later. All right, so we can have these go back to the way they were. But I do like that these are out here. Actually, you should press on the tab button, not the space bar. It's easier, quicker. All right, so let's open this a little bit and see my word wrap goes around like this. You'll see the piece tag starts here and it stops down here. Okay, so when I do a Command S to save, come over here, refresh. Look what happens. Look what happens when I resize the browser. Okay, it goes really wide and long. Then I can make it come in real small. This is as far as I can go to the left. Okay, I am going to get rid of my H tags up to the H1. Command S, save, refresh. Cool. I'm going to get rid of some of this. Delete that. Save it. Let's refresh. All right. All right. So what's the next? I want to eventually be incorporating HTML. So XHTML. So let's start that now. The way to do that would be up in the HTML tag. I want to do an exclamation point and then write in capital letters doc type with a little space for HTML. Now you're ready for XHTML. It's that simple. And XHTML is not that much different than regular HTML. It just, whenever you do your tags and it's a one tagger, you would be closing it with a slash instead of no slash. I'm going to show you what that means right now. I'm going to put a horizontal line. That's an HR tag. If I put a space and a forward slash, that's XHTML right there. Right there, that's XHTML. Let's save our page and refresh, and let's see the HR tag do its work. It's horizontal line. See it right there? Okay. Let's say in my paragraph tag here, what if I wanted to do a breaking tag, a BR space forward slash. It's a one tagger, just like the HR tag. The breaking space, what it does is it makes a space that goes right underneath the other paragraph. So I'm going to write this is a space just under the paragraph. And you'll notice that the paragraph tag stops here. You're inside the paragraph tag still, okay? Paragraph, Command S to save and refresh. Let's see what happens. This is just under the paragraph. See that? How I'll put it right there? So if I were to come down, make a new paragraph tag, and close the paragraph tag, oops, got to be detail oriented. You have to write everything correctly. If you don't write everything correctly and you misspell or you mess up a tag, it's going to mess up your whole entire HTML, so remember that. So after this, I'm going to write, this is a new paragraph. Okay, I can't spell. New paragraph. I love that you can right click and you can, it has spell check. I love that. Let's save that and let's refresh the page. Notice that, see, there's no line from the last exclamation point to the word this is a space, and that was the BR tag right there. It just makes one space down. Well, this is a new paragraph, and the P tag made it go down 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Well, 2 spaces. 1, 2. So paragraph tag goes down 2, a BR tag, a breaking tag, goes down 1.